it's time to play. Let's check in with Emmy Mae. Big or small, your heart is true. There's a kindness club for you.
Feel your feelings, let them show. Talk it out and let it go. With a smile and song to share, you'll find friendship everywhere. Do 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 do.
Do 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 do
Do do do do do do.
do 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 do.
Oh no! I made a giant mess. It's way too much. I don't even know where to start.
Oh, that's a big job, Emmy Mae. Sometimes cleaning up can feel a little overwhelming. But guess what? You don't have to do it alone. Helping hands make everything easier.
Helping hands? You mean we can clean up together?
Exactly. And when we turn it into a song, it can be fun. Want to try?
Yes! Let's sing!
Clean up, clean up, clean up. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Clean up, helping hands are here.
1, 2, 3, pick up! Clean up, clean up, clean up. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Clean up, helping hands are here. 1, 2, 3, pick up!
Clean up, clean up, clean up.
Pick up, pick up, pick up.
Clean up, helping hands are here.
1, 2, 3, pick up! Wow! That was so much faster. And it was fun. My heart feels happy now.
Oh, mine too. Helping hands really do make happy hearts. And I'm glad I could help. Thank you for inviting me to join you. And you know what? Asking for help shows kindness too. Friend, today's kindness mission, pick up one thing today. Your toys, a piece of trash, or, you know what? Even your shoes.
Thank you for helping me clean my toys, Anthea.
Oh, thank you for asking me, Emmy Mae. Tibok-Tibok, that's my heart, telling me I'm brave and smart. When I feel things start to grow, I breathe in deep, then let them go.
Tibok-Tibok, strong and true. Kindness lives in me and you. Say it proud, say it clear. I'm so glad that I was here. Kindness lives in every heart.
See you next time.
In Emmy Mae's Kindness Club. Yay! We did it!
We sure did. And I'm so very proud of you.